Science knows no country because knowledge belongs to humanity and is the torch which illuminates the world, by Louis Pasteur. Good morning to all of you. It's my immense pleasure to welcome you all for the virtual international conference on naturopathy, nanotechnology, nutraceuticals and immunotherapy in cancer research. IC IC 2021, organized by Association of Cancer Education and Research, ACER, School of Life Sciences, B.S. Abdur Rahman Crescent Institute of Science and Technology in association with Purdue University, USA, supported by Tamil Nadu State Council for Science and Technology. I am delighted to welcome you all for this conference. Our understanding on molecular mechanisms involved in biological systems continues to grow rapidly, leading to new types of targeted treatments and novel therapeutic approaches. Proteomics and genomics, computational biology, targeted nanomedicine are transforming the way medicine treats both communicable and non-communicable diseases. Researchers are also focusing on alternate and personal medicine to cure various diseases. This conference is dedicated to learning, sharing and communicating with others about naturopathy, nanotechnology, nutraceuticals and cancer immunotherapy. This conference consists of a series of lectures by eminent scientists from India and abroad who are working on various aspects of biology. We thank Dr. Ignacio Camarillo, Dr. Rajesh Sundararajan, Dr. Alan Garner, Dr. Gaurav Nanda from Purdue University, Dr. Elisabetta Saini from Insubria University, Italy, Dr. Suresh Kumar from Central Leather Research Institute, Chennai, India, Dr. Kavita from MIT campus of Anna University, Chennai, India, for delivering invited talks and also for sharing their research. This conference will be covering on basic and applied aspects of research, including natural products, drug designing and repurposing, applications of nanomedicine and nanotechnology, microbiome, cancer diagnosis and treatment, immunotherapeutics, nutraceuticals, biomolecules, etc. On behalf of School of Life Sciences, B.S. Abdur Rahman Crescent Institute of Science and Technology, and also on behalf of Purdue University, we thank Dr. Jonathan Sachs, Editor-in-Chief, Applied Biochemistry and Biotechnology Journal, Springer Publications, for publishing the special issue for this conference. Our committee will screen and invite the papers from the participants. Based on the invitation, you can submit your full paper to the journal. This Applied Biochemistry and Biotechnology Journal is indexed in Scopus and its impact factor is 2.277. We also thank Dr. Tony Kong, founding and current editor-in-chief, Current Pharmacology Reports, published by Springer, for publishing special section on biotechnology and nutraceuticals. This journal is also indexed in Scopus. Participants are invited to submit the review articles for this journal. This conference also includes e-poster presentations by undergraduates, master students, PhD scholars, postdocs, scientists and faculty members. To appreciate and to encourage research, we will be awarding 10 Best Presentation Awards to undergraduates, 10 presentations for masters, 10 awards for PhD scholars and 10 for postdocs and 10 Young Scientist Awards to faculty and scientists. Thank you for joining hands with us to spread the scientific knowledge among the researchers, which shows that scientific and research acumen cannot be stopped by this tough pandemic situation. We have received overwhelming response from all parts of India as well as from abroad. I hope this conference will help to get an exposure on various aspects of basic and translational research. Once again, I welcome you all for this conference. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Nisar Ahmed and welcome you all to this international. I am very thankful to our Dean, Professor Hemlata Ma'am, for giving this platform to talk about ACER, that is Association of Cancer Education and Research. Before I start about ACER, I wanted to share an incident that happened with me while working at Carmonas Cancer Institute, Detroit, USA. There, in between the work, I used to take a coffee break going downstairs to the corner of the institute. One day, while I was wearing my lab coat, one local person asked, "Is there any cure for blood cancer?" As one of his relatives was suffering. He has a question on his face, can it be treated? The incident forced me to think, is it getting the high impact factor paper is our objective? In what way we are serving to the community? By working on that, one thing came out that there is a lack of information in the community, especially the women and children in the villages. On that idea of the awareness and under the leadership of our Dean, Professor Hemlata Ma'am, and our Associate Professor Dr. Ashok and Dr. Saumin, we formed this association. ACER was inaugurated during the international conference on recent trend in biotechnology, energy and environment during 18th and 19th February 2020 with a very clear vision, that is cancer control among community through education and research, and with the two mission to promote cancer awareness through organized seminar, workshop and conferences like this one. This is the first conference organized by ACER. Also, to encourage cancer-based research among the student and the research scholar, we have following objectives: to educate community, especially villages, and focusing on women and children health. Through organized camp, we will educate them with the various types of cancer, different risk of cancer, about the screening methods available. We are planning to tie up with different patho lab for mass screening. The association is also planning to generate money to fund budding cancer researchers in our country. The funding will also be allocated for the cancer patient which has no financial support. I hope we will get all your well wishes and support, and at last I wish you a very fruitful 3 days conference. All the best. Thank you.